Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to give you like a quick life update and tell you what I've been doing, what I've been up to. Got some really exciting news and stuff that's been keeping me really busy. Just a quick little update. Last 3 months I've been really struggling financially and emotionally, and my mental health has really suffered. So I took a bit of a break just to get back on my feet, and just been really depressed. And I'm now seeing someone, like psychologist wise, not boyfriend wise. Just been dealing with being really super depressed and really like shit funky moods. And I had a panic attack like 2 weeks ago. I was in hospital. Everything sort of just caved in on me, but at the same time I've got exciting news, but it's also added to the pressure. So I'm just dealing with everything at the moment. I wanted to get into my really exciting news, but as always, I've got cleaning to do. It's of not just dirt, but like it's absolute filth. So I need to clean my house, hold myself accountable. So if I'm not filming, I'm not going to do it. So it's been 3 months worth of crap. I'm just going to get straight into it. All right. Hey guys, I just want to take the opportunity to thank those that have subscribed and liked my videos and that have been with me on this journey of YouTube and creating a channel. And I just want to give a huge shout out to those, you guys know who you are, that have shown nothing but love and support for myself and my channel and exploring my creativity. For those that are watching that haven't subscribed or liked this video, feel free to subscribe. I also wanted to take the opportunity to fill you in on what I've been doing. I didn't film an explanation at the end, so I thought I'd go ahead and explain it now. I actually started a diploma of legal services, which is like step one or baby step of becoming a lawyer or a legal assistant, and it's very full on and it's just very chaotic, and it sort of came out of nowhere. For those that know me know that I'm a health related person with the nursing, healthcare, aged care, and I just, with everything that's been going on in my life, I just thought I should put that aside. It's been probably about 10 years of trying to make the health field related job happen, and I just flipped a coin and wrote down a few things on a piece of paper, and just my life has been one big Hail Mary, I guess. It's just everything has happened either sort of out of nowhere or sort of dumb luck, or I've really, I think, proven myself in the sense that you work hard and things that don't seem achievable or attainable seem to be happening for me at the moment, and just at a crossroads where I need to really set myself up to what I want to do with my life. I don't want to become homeless again, and I don't want to continue having financial struggles, and I really need to invest. I think these years coming up are very crucial to setting myself up for the rest of my life. And I don't know, it sounds a bit crazy, but the joke's on me because I absolutely love legal services. I love learning about Australian law, and I think I want to go into property law, well, family law. Sorry, not property law, family law. Where did that come from? And even, I'm not sure yet, but I'm really interested in criminal law. But I'm leaning towards family. So just learning how to study and note take, and it's definitely, like, it's not hard as in the work, it's hard as in concentration. It's hard because I've never really studied before, and I've never really paid attention in class before, and I was that silly kid that never turned up to high school. So trying to do a full-on diploma course is the highest level certificate that I've ever done, and I've definitely got to go down that avenue of about the course and what I'm doing. But I just thought I would tell you that I am a full-time student as well as full-time work. And it's hard and it's driving me nuts, but I love it. So look forward to hearing all about my potential law degree. I don't want to say law degree because I'm only doing a diploma at this stage, but I know I want to go ahead and continue on and explore and see where that takes me. But definitely look out for new videos all about what I've learnt so far about how to research and study and note taking and all that fun student related university type stuff. So I will leave you here, and thank you again for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.